are going to do the exercise contest. And we have customers that are going to watch. And also, they are going to exercise as well. Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 customers. Now, an exercise person will come right away just in a second. And hi, my name is Pony. And I'm going to do all the exercises. And the first exercise that I want to do is to turn that. Are you ready? Alright, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, that gave me a lot of warm-up. Now let's go to another exercise with the warm-up. Yes. And hi. Oopsie, I was lying down. That's much better. And hi again. So I'm going to do this exercise. Like a little screenshot. It looks like it's impossible. I can't even do once. I guess I need to go to the next. Okay guys, so the next exercise is push-ups. Let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 29, 30. That is lots of time. So no time to waste. Let's go to the next right away. Okay guys, now let's do the dumping to the same sport round. So let's do it now. 1. Easy. Okay, that's enough. Now let's go to the next. And okay guys, I'm going to do the weight. And ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was very new. Okay guys, so the next exercise is a little spin, a little run, and it will spin. It looks like it's raining, but it actually isn't raining of running. So let us do that, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Set it to 1,000 speed. Done. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like our video, then please like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe to our Fun Facty channel, guys. And also, if you like our video, do all, okay? Bye.